Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar panel mono or poly that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the UXL 5 pieces 2V 60 milliamps poly mini solar cell panel module. This product is specifically designed for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts. With its compact dimensions of 30 millimeters by 36 millimeters, it's perfect for powering small-scale projects like science experiments, light toys, and low-power appliances. It's lightweight, portable, and comes in a pack of 5, making it an excellent choice for those who need multiple panels for custom setups. The polycrystalline build ensures decent efficiency for its size, and at only 16 grams per panel, it's incredibly easy to handle. In terms of design, the UXL solar panels are compact and visually appealing with a sleek black and blue finish. However, their small size means they are limited to low-power applications, with a maximum output of 2 volts and 60 milliamps. The build quality is decent for the price, and the panels are sturdy enough for indoor use and minimal outdoor exposure. That said, these panels are not designed for harsh environmental conditions, so durability is limited. While this product won't power larger devices, it's perfect for tinkering and educational purposes. It's an affordable entry point into solar energy for beginners or those working on small electronics projects. The main downside is the limited power output, so it's not ideal for users looking for something more robust. Overall, this is a niche product, but a solid pick for its intended audience. At number 4, we have the Renogy Mini Solar Panel DC 6-volt polysilicon solar cell charger module. This is another product aimed at DIY enthusiasts, but it offers a slight step up in terms of power and versatility compared to the UXL panels. Each panel in this pack of 3 provides a maximum output of 6 volt and 1 watt, making it suitable for small solar-powered devices like lawn lights, flashlights, and other low-power gadgets. The inclusion of a 30-centimeter red-black cable makes installation straightforward, even for beginners. In terms of design, the Renogy panels are lightweight and compact, measuring 4.3 by 2.4 inches. The build quality is decent, with a polysilicon surface that offers good efficiency in low-light conditions. However, like the UXL panels, these are not meant for heavy-duty outdoor use, as they lack advanced weatherproofing. Their sleek design and ease of use make them a good fit for educational projects, science experiments, and DIY solar setups. The Renogy solar panels are an excellent choice for those looking to experiment with solar energy on a small scale. They're easy to work with and offer reliable performance for their size. However, the low power output means they're limited to small devices and won't be suitable for larger applications. If you're a hobbyist or a student working on solar energy projects, this pack offers great value and versatility. Coming in at number 3 is the eco-worthy solar panel 25-watt 18V monocrystalline waterproof panel. This product is a significant upgrade from the smaller, DIY-focused panels, offering 25 watts of power output and generating about 100 Wh per day under optimal sunlight conditions. This makes it a great choice for maintaining or charging 12V batteries in RVs, boats, trailers, and other off-grid applications. It's also versatile enough to power small appliances or lighting systems. The design and build quality of this panel are impressive, featuring a durable aluminum frame and a waterproof junction box for extended outdoor use. It's compact at 16.5 by 12.6 inches, making it portable yet sturdy enough to withstand harsh weather conditions like wind and snow. Pre-drilled holes on the back make installation quick and hassle-free. Whether you're mounting it on a vehicle or a fixed structure, the eco-worthy panel strikes a balance between performance and portability. It's ideal for users who need a reliable solar solution for moderate power demands in off-grid setups. While it's not as powerful as larger panels, its efficiency and durability make it a strong contender in its category. The only downside is that it's not as lightweight as flexible panels, which may be a consideration for some users. Overall, this is a dependable mid-range option for anyone looking to step up their solar game. At number 2, we have the Viewsun Flexible Solar Panel 100-watt 16 BB monocell. This panel is a high-performance option that combines flexibility, durability, and efficiency. Utilizing advanced 16 BB busbar monocrystalline solar cells, it achieves a remarkable 23 to 24% conversion efficiency, making it one of the most efficient panels in its class. It's ideal for off-grid installations on RVs, boats, tents, and other curved or uneven surfaces. Thanks to its ability to bend up to 30 degrees, the Viewsun panel is incredibly lightweight at just 2.97 pounds and ultra-thin at only 0.078 inches thick. Despite its lightweight design, it's built to last with an IP67-rated waterproof junction box and the ability to withstand heavy snow and wind loads. Installation is a breeze, thanks to pre-drilled mounting holes and compatibility with various mounting options like adhesives and Velcro. This panel is perfect for users who need a highly portable and efficient solar solution for off-grid applications. Its compact and flexible design makes it versatile, while its robust construction ensures it can handle demanding outdoor conditions. The main downside is its higher price point compared to more rigid panels, but the premium features and performance justify the cost for most users. If you're serious about solar energy, this panel is an excellent investment. Finally, at number 1, we have the Renogy Solar Panel, 100-watt, 12-volt, lightweight, ultra-flexible, black division, monocrystalline panel. Renogy is a trusted name in the solar industry, and this panel lives up to its reputation with outstanding performance and versatility. It can generate an impressive 500 watts of electricity per day, depending on sun availability, making it ideal for off-grid applications in RVs, boats, vans, and more. The use of half-cut PERC cell technology enhances light capture and improves efficiency, ensuring you get maximum power output even in less than ideal conditions. The design of this panel is top-notch. It's lightweight at just 5.3 pounds and ultra-thin, allowing it to bend up to 240 degrees to fit curved surfaces. This makes it incredibly versatile and easy to install. The panel is built to withstand harsh conditions, with an IP67-rated waterproof junction box and the ability to handle heavy snow and wind loads. Pre-drilled mounting holes and long connector cables further simplify the installation process. The Renogy solar panel is the best overall choice for a wide range of users, from off-grid adventurers to those seeking a reliable backup power source. Its combination of high efficiency, durability, and flexibility puts it a cut above the competition. The only downside is that it's priced at a premium, but the quality and performance make it well worth the investment. If you want the best of the best, this panel is the one to choose. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.